Today the class trigonometry, in which we study about trigonometrical ratio. आज की क्लास में हम त्रिकोणमिति, जिसमें हम त्रिकोणमितीय अनुपात पर चर्चा करने जा रहे हैं. सो द स्टूडेंट्स and all my online class listener and peoples and guardians are already aware for this. Thanking you. Now I am the Manoj Kumar, started the trigonometrical ratios. As here the term trigonometry is there three organs: trigonometry. Tri means three, gono means angles, metry means measurement. Tri, the first term indicates three, gono the second term indicates angles, and metry is the measurement. Means त्रिकोणमिति. किसी ट्रायंगल के तीन कोणों की मापन त्रिकोणमिति कहलाती है, जिसे हम ट्रिगोनोमेट्री कहते हैं. त्रिकोणमिति में मूलतः 6 ऑर्गन होते हैं, 3 एंगल्स एंड 3 साइड्स. ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ एंगल्स एट साइड we have come to know here the picture. The side of the angle B is AC. Angle B, sides AC, that is hypotenuse. Side of angle A is BC, that is base, and side of angle C is AB, the perpendicular. ये लंब कर्ण है, ये आधार है, और ये लंब है. तो here is 3 angles: angle B, angle A, angle C. Here the side AC, BC and AB. According to Pythagoras theorem, we study about the trigonometrical ratios, in which angle related to their sides and sides related to angle with their supporting side, adjoint side and adjoint angles. Here angle B made by angle A, side A and side B, BC. So AB and BC, the side of adjoint and made angle is 90 degree. Here angle C, their adjoint side is BC and AC, that made the angle C, and angle A, their adjoint side is AB and AC, perpendicular and hypotenuse. On this basis of 6 sides, in which 3 angles and 3 sides, 3 angles, 3 sides. On this basis of angle and side, there are some of the mathematical term, that is sine, cos, tan, the 3 angles and 3 sides, perpendicular, base and hypotenuse. According to these 3 angles, we have a study about their derivatives. उसके व्युत्पन्न की हम स्टडी करते हैं, जैसे साइन थीटा, सपोज दिस एंगल इज थीटा। हर हमेशा हम अगर कोई एंगल लेते हैं तो 90 डिग्री के सामने वाली एंगल को हम यहाँ लिखते हैं, यहाँ लिखते हैं। और यदि आप नहीं समझ रहे हैं तो ये जान लीजिए कि थीटा इक्वल टू 30 डिग्री, सो आई राइट हियर साइन 30 डिग्री। इज इट क्लियर? एंगल of trigonometrical ratios depend upon the angle just in front of the 90 degree. In other way, if this figure is rotate opposite side anti-clockwise, then BC become perpendicular and AB become their base. BC become perpendicular and AB become base, and their third side, that is hypotenuse, is as constant. Here it become base, perpendicular and H. 90 डिग्री के सामने यहाँ जो एंगल होगा हम इसको लेंगे। यू हैव स्टडी अबाउट दिस 2 फिगर, फर्स्ट फिगर एंड सेकेंड फिगर। तो आइए हम लोग यहाँ पर डिस्कस करते हैं साइन थीटा इक्वल टू क्या होता है। साइन थीटा इक्वल टू होता है 4 फिगर 1, फिगर 1, साइन थीटा इक्वल टू होता है AB अपॉन AC, AB अपॉन AC, that is perpendicular upon hypotenuse, that is P by H। इसको हम हिंदी में लंब बटे कर्ण कहते हैं। ये कर्ण है, ये आधार है और ये लंब है, जो कि हम यहाँ पर एक टेबुलर एग्जाम्पल्स में डाल दिए हैं। ये साइन थीटा इक्वल टू पी बाय एच, परपेंडिकुलर बाय हाइपोटेनस, लंब बटे कर्ण. You have two angles is given, you must have to two sides are given, you must have to find base on this relation. Now cos theta equal to this BC upon AC, BC upon AC, that is base upon hypotenuse, that is B by H. B by H को हम लिख सकते हैं आधार बाय कर्ण. Now the third angle is tan theta, that is the ratio of AB and BC, AB and BC equal to perpendicular upon base, that is P by B, लंब बटा आधार. There are three angles from the figure. This if we rotate this angle anti-clockwise, this is the center and it move, then AB become here at the base, perpendicular change into base, and base turn into the perpendicular where H is as in stationary. Now cot theta, that is BC upon AB. From figure 1, then BC the base और AB the perpendicular, तो हम लिखेंगे इसको B by P, that is आधार बटा लंब. This is oppositely related to each other. Tan P by B cot B by P. Here the opposite relation between the tan and cot. Now the relation of cos to the sec. Here is the opposite relation between the cos and sec. Therefore, according to figure 1, it become AC upon BC, that is H by P, H by B, that is कर्ण with ratio आधार. यहाँ पर आप देख सकते हैं कि BC upon AC, here the opposite ratio AC upon BC, B by H, H by B, आधार by कर्ण, कर्ण by आधार. There is the opposite relation. For sin, अगर हम साइन थीटा को देखते हैं तो साइन का अपोजिट होता है कोसेक थीटा. कोसेक थीटा just opposite to the sin theta, it become AC upon AB, that is h बटे p, that is कर्ण अपॉन लंब. Here sin cos tan cot sec cosec, the trigonometrical angles where p by h, b by h, p by b, b by p, h by b, h by p, that is लंब अपॉन कर्ण, आधार अपॉन कर्ण, लंब अपॉन आधार, कर्ण अपॉन आधार एंड आधार अपॉन लंब, कर्ण अपॉन लंब. These are the trigonometrical ratio of the adjacent side. Adjacent side that make an angle of sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. Now according to these all the relations we get from the hypotenuse, from the Pythagoras concept. According to Pythagoras concept, we come to know about the another relation between perpendicular base and the hypotenuse. That is a triplet relation between base, perpendicular and hypotenuse called Pythagoras theorem or concepts. Pythagoras explain the concept related to P, B and H relations. That is, if we take H square, it is the concept number A. H square equal to P square plus B square. It also proven H equal to over root P square plus B square, that is कर्ण equal to लंब स्क्वायर जोड़ आधार स्क्वायर. क्लियर? बी में आप जब आते हैं तो देखते हैं पी स्क्वायर इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर और P इक्वल टू एच स्क्वायर माइनस बी स्क्वायर ओवर रूट. दैट इज लंब इक्वल टू कर्ण स्क्वायर माइनस आधार स्क्वायर. रिलेशन थर्ड में हम जब आते हैं तो you have to find base square equal to h square minus perpendicular square. Therefore b equal to root under h square minus p square, that is आधार बराबर कर्ण स्क्वायर माइनस लंब स्क्वायर ओवर रूट. These are the terms by which we get any sides either P, B and H by the Pythagoras triplet theorem. Now we are going to discuss about some of the question related with the term A, B and C. Here is given, so you all must have to eager and attentive to observe this situation. If suppose this is a right angle triangle P Q R, it is P, that is 3, it is B, that is 4, it is H. Have to find, you have to given here perpendicular and base, but hypotenuse is have to find. Then according to Pythagoras first equation, H equal to root under P square plus B square, that is 3 square plus 4 square over root equal to 9 plus 16, that is 25. Hence H equal to 5. If it is in cm, then 5 cm. If B and P are given, then easier to finding out hypotenuse. Second, the example, if you have given ABC, the triangle where perpendicular is given 12 cm, hypotenuse is given 13 cm, you have to find out B is what. According to second concept of Pythagoras, you must have to finding the base. According to base equal to over root H square minus P square, that is 13 square minus 12 square over root, that is 169 minus 4, 144, that is root under 25, 5, means B become 5 cm. The next example, how to finding perpendicular of a triangle is tan theta. It is P. You have to find P, means if this triangle is X, Y, Z, here is 90 degree, this angle have to find P, B, H. If P is given, not given but it is your questions, if H is given 29, B is given 20, you have to find P. According to P equal to root over h square minus b square, that is 29 square minus 20 square, that is 29 स्क्वायर को आप देख लेंगे कि इसका वैल्यू होता है 841 माइनस 400 ओवर रूट, P इक्वल टू ओवर रूट 441, that is 21 cm. The value of P you have to find in this way. In this way we have to find if two sides is given. The opposite relation of sine is cosec, cos is sec, and tan is cot. Now cot theta equal to b by p. If b by p is given here in this triangle PQR, that is 90 degree, that is theta PBH. Here the relation cot theta equal to P by B means P and B is given to you and have to find H. If this is 4, this is 3, therefore H equal to P square plus B square, that is 4 square plus 3 square, that is 16 plus 9 over root 25 equal to 5. This value become 5. Sec, the opposite of the cos. Cos is, we have b by h, then relation of sec is said to be h upon b. Opposite means hypotenuse and base are given, then you have to find p. p इक्वल टू होता है रूट ओवर एच स्क्वायर माइनस पी स्क्वायर. H and B, for this you have some example. A, B, C, that is 90 degree angle C. Here H is given, that is 29. P is given, that is 20, hence B equal to what? Oh, P है ना, it is 21, then P equal to what? Therefore P equal to 29 square minus 21 square over root, that is 841 minus 441 over root, that is 400 under root, value is 20 cm. P become 27 cm, hence cosec theta. Cosec theta is just opposite the sin theta, so the ratio of sin theta is P by H, it become H but by P, अपोजिट है, इसलिए साइन थीटा बराबर होता है P by H। तो कॉसेक थीटा अगर अपोजिट है तो H by P होगा। इसलिए हम इस ट्रायंगल में देखते हैं कि यदि इस ट्रायंगल को हम x, y, z के रूप में देखते हैं तो इट बिकम परपेंडिकुलर, इट बिकम हाइपोटेनस एंड बेस Here H and P is given, then you have to find B. The relation of B to H and P is H square minus P square over root. If H is 13 and P is 5, then 13 square minus 5 square is to 169 minus 25 over root equal to root under 144, that is 12. The value of base of this triangle XYZ is 12. In this way, we have to discuss about the six angles and six sides. On this basis of another problem, as given in the form of another way, if angle is given in this ratio, suppose you have tan theta equal to 0.75. When we calculate 0.75, that become 75 by 100. 25 से अगर इसको हम डिवाइड करते हैं तो 3/4. tan theta, the relation tan theta equal to P by B, that is 3/4. This triangle indicates A, B, C, that is 90 degree, and this is the angle theta. P is 3, B is 4, hence H become H equal to P square जोड़ B square over root, that is 3 square plus 4 square over root equal to 9 plus 16, that is root under 25, that is 5. H become 5. If you have asking a question, if tan theta equal to 0.5, then calculate all the trigonometrical ratio. You have seen here in next page there are 6 trigonometrical ratio: sin theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, sec theta and cosec theta. 6. Here tan theta is given. Rest trigonometrical ratio is sin theta, cos theta, cot theta, सेक थीटा, कॉसेक थीटा, यानी मतलब 5 रेशियोज आपको बचे हुए हैं। तो हम इस आधार पर इनसे जो हम निकाले हैं पी बी एच, इस आधार पर हम साइन थीटा निकालेंगे। साइन थीटा इक्वल टू पी बाय एच दैट इज 3/5, कॉस थीटा इक्वल टू बी बाय एच इक्वल टू 4/5, कॉट थीटा इक्वल टू b by p that is 4/3, sec theta equal to h by b that is 5/4, and cosec theta equal to h by p, just opposite of sin theta, that is 5/3. In this way we solve many of the questions that is given in your first page of the class 10th trigonometry chapters. You must have to deal many of the questions. Questions: if tan theta equal to 20/21, then find all the trigonometrical ratios and find out sin square theta plus cos square theta sec square theta, tan square theta, and 1 minus cos square theta. In this way, this is the question. This question carry at least 3 or 3 marks. Now come to know about right angle triangles that qualify by PQR, where Q is 90 degree and front angle R is theta. That value is given in tan theta 20/21, means tan theta, the trigonometrical ratios which qualify P by B perpendicular upon base, so it become 20/21. Here at first we find H hypotenuse, कर्ण को हम सबसे पहले फाइंड करेंगे पाइथागोरस के फार्मूला से। कर्ण इक्वल टू होता है पी स्क्वायर प्लस बी स्क्वायर, दैट इज द फार्मूला। 20 स्क्वायर प्लस 21 स्क्वायर ओवर रूट इक्वल टू 400 प्लस 441, दैट इज रूट अंडर 841। Hence h equal to 29 cm. Now we have the value of perpendicular and base and hypotenuse. First problem is to find trigonometrical ratio. Sin theta p by h, cos theta b by h, cot theta b by p, sec theta h by b, cosec theta h by p. Now put the value of all PBH from this figure, that is 20 upon 21, 20 upon 29, 21 upon 29, 20 upon 20, 29 upon 21, 29 upon 20. These are the value of trigonometrical ratios. And now some problems are also given here that can be deals according to the value of this trigonometrical ratios. First question is given sin square theta plus cos square theta. Now we finding the sin square theta from the sin theta, that is 20 by 29 square, plus cos square theta, that is b by h, 21 upon 29 square. It is 400 upon 841 plus 441 upon 841, that is 400 plus 441 upon 841, that is 841 upon 841. This is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta, that is 1. That is 1. Second question also given here. Second, sec square theta minus tan square theta. Sec, their trigonometrical ratio is h by b. h by b स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर दे देंगे. टेन थीटा p बाई बी स्क्वायर है, स्क्वायर दे देंगे. h और h, b और p का वैल्यू ट्रायंगल के साइड से देखते हैं तो h दैट इज 29 अपॉन 21 स्क्वायर माइनस 20 by 21 square is 841 upon 441 minus 400 upon 441. Took common of denominator 441, 841 minus 400, that is 441 upon 441, that is 1. The value of sec square theta minus tan square theta is 1. Now the third question is here 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Cos square theta, that is 1 minus cos, trigonometrical value is b by h. Here is a square, then it must be a squared. 1 minus b, the value 21 upon 29 whole square, that is 1 minus 441 upon 841, that is 841 minus 441 upon 841, that is 400 upon 841. That in this way we solve many of the trigonometrical identities and many of the problems related to it with sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta, their opposite is cosec theta. Cos theta, their opposite is sec theta. Tan theta, their opposite is cot theta. In this way, we next day comes to know about the angles of some special trigonometrical ratios from 45, 30, 60, 90 and so on, by which we solve many of the trigonometrical problems and the chapter of trigonometrical ratios, Trikonmiतीय अनुपात, is very typical for the coming examination. Thank you. चलो.